Hi friends, my name is Vinay Singh and I'm studying 9th standard in Sri Chaitanya Civil Batch. I'm here to tell you a moral story. So get started. Thinking out of the box. In a small Italian town hundreds of years ago, a small business owner owned a large sum of money to a loan shark. The loan shark was very old, an attractive looking guy that just so happened to fancy the business owner's daughter. He decided to offer the businessman a deal that would completely wipe out the debt he owed him. However, the catch was that we would only wipe out the debt if he could marry the businessman's daughter. Needless to say, this proposal was met with a look of disgust. The loan shark said that he would place two pebbles into a bag, one white and one black. The daughter would then have to reach into the bag and pick out a pebble. If it was black, the debt would be wiped. But the loan shark would then marry her if it was white. The debt would also be wiped, but the daughter wouldn't have to marry the loan shark. Standing on a pebble strewn path in the businessman's garden, the loan shark bent over and picked up two pebbles. Whilst he was picking them up, the daughter noticed that he did picked up two black pebbles and placed them both into the bag. He then asked the daughter to reach into the bag and pick one. Oh, how clumsy of me! Never mind if you look into the bag, for the one that is left you will be able to tell which pebble I picked. The pebble left in the bag is obviously black, and as the loan shark didn't want to be exposed, he had to play along as if the pebble the daughter dropped was white and clear her father's debt. Moral of the story: it's always possible to overcome a tough situation throughout the box thinking and not give in to the only options you think you have to pick from. Thank you.